So raise them up, up, up to the sky. This is a heist, this is a heist. You're only looking for one thing. You wanna steal my heart from me. I got it, my love, like it was for knocks. I kept it under lock and key. No breaking.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So into this video, I'm going to be doing a full face makeup on this beautiful model in this video. So if you want to see and know how we achieve the look, please keep watching. So the look on this video is kind of a recreation I did on myself. She saw the makeup look, although mine was orange and black. So because of the hair color and also a skin tone, I decided to choose a different color for her, but also doing the same makeup look, for the same makeup style. So instead of orange, I used purple for the transition shade, and also purple for the wing liner. So for transition shade, I'm using the purple eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm using that as a transition shade. I'm applying that using a small fluffy eyeshadow brush. So I'm just applying that on the crease and also on the outer corner of my eyes. And also for this look, I didn't set the foundation. I didn't set the concealer with setting powder, so I'm gonna go straight in with the eyeshadow. So next, I'm going in with the Desert Sand, the shade Desert Sand. I'm applying that on the brow bone, and also using that to kind of fade out the eyeshadow, the purple eyeshadow on the crease. So it's just to get rid of the line in between each eyeshadow. So next, I'm going in with Inglot Black eyeshadow. I'm going to be applying that on the center of my eyelid. But also using a fluffy brush, I'm just using that to apply the eyeshadow. So next, I'm going back in with the same brush I used in applying the purple eyeshadow. I'm using that to blend the black eyeshadow and the purple eyeshadow together to get rid of the line, to make it look seamless. So next, I'm going in with the shade Twilight. I'm applying that on the center of the eye to create the hollow look. So next, I'm going back in with the same brush I used in applying the black eyeshadow. I'm using that to blend out the Twilight color and the black eyeshadow. Also, blending is the key for this kind of makeup. If your blending is right, your makeup is gonna come out on point. So next, before going in with the purple shade on the wing liner, I'm first of all going in with the concealer to clean out the wing line. This will help the color pop a lot more than going straight on top of the black eyeshadow. And also for the wing line, I don't have a purple eyeliner gel, so I'm using the Anastasia lip palette. I'm using the purple shade as my as the eyeliner gel. So I'm just applying that on the wing line and also on the inner corner of our eyes, kind of to make it really pop. And I've got with the purple on the outer corner and also on the inner corner of the eyes. So next, I'm going in with a sandy spray to spraying that on her face. And here is the foundation shade. Today we're using the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm going to be using a foundation shade on the face, and also going to be using my foundation shade as the contour shade for her skin tone. So right now, I'm going to apply the foundation on her skin using a fluffy foundation brush. So I'm applying that on the skin, and also with this Fenty Beauty foundation, you want to work really quick because the foundation dries really fast. So you don't want to apply the foundation all over your face and then come back to blend it out. it will dry before you get to the other part of your face. So you want to as you apply the foundation, you want to also blend it out, so that will give you the flawless finished look after applying your foundation. And this foundation, the fancy foundation, it's really nice, especially on my skin. I mean, you can see it on our skin right here. It is flawless. So I didn't apply the fancy foundation directly on the eye, just because the concealer I'm going to be applying is a little bit on the dry side too, so I didn't want to go in with too much dry product. So that's why I didn't apply the foundation there. So, and also the concealer is on the full coverage side, so that will kind of cover up the under eye, also brightens it up. Now for contour, I'm going to be using my foundation shade.
Excuse me. Is the same mine?
Yes, of course, it's my foundation shade. See your foundation, see my own.
Why like this? Why too much coffee? Why no coffee? Why no coffee? Yes, too much Coca-Cola, madam.
So next I'm going in with a stick foundation. I'm using that, so I'm applying that on the eye, and also going to apply that on the bridge of the nose and also on the forehead. So next I'm going in with a blending sponge to blend out the concealer. So first I'm blending out the under eyes, and next I'm going to be blending the concealer on the bridge of a nose and the contour shade, blending everything all together. So next I'm going in with a setting powder with a Flummer Invisible Loose Powder. I'm going to use that to set the under eye, the bridge of the nose, and her forehead, and also her chin. And also, yes, I know the contour is looking a bit harsh right now, but I'm going to fix everything using the using our brown powder. So next I'm going in with a pressed powder, regular setting powder. So I'm going to be using that to set the rest of the face, but first I'm going to use that to cut out the contour area. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of the face. And also using the same powder, the same brown powder, using that to blend out the setting powder we apply on the highlighted areas. That will help to get rid of any get rid of the whiteness of the setting powder. And now I'm going in with the powder to blend out the contour area. So next I'm going in with a Flummer highlighter. I'm going to apply that on the cheekbone and also on the bridge of a nose. here is the finished result of the makeup look. And also real quick, the hair she have on in this video, it's a crochet braid. I have a video on how I did the crochet braid. I will link I'll put the link to the video in the description box, so be sure to check it out. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.